You chase too many things, you get none of them. And this is such an important part when we talk about metrics. We've got real estate agents who are out there who are chasing doing more calls. I've got people out there that are chasing the number of connects. I've got people that are out there that are chasing the number of messages that they left. Last time I checked, the most important metric of all, how many appointments actually happened in that calendar? And that's exactly what it's about, right? Like if you're a really good quality real estate agent, you're trying to make sure that you get more market appraisals and more listing appointments more often. Now let's have a quick look at it. Let's say that you want to do 5 sales per month. And in order to do those 5 sales per month, you know that you need to have 5 highly sellable listings. Now in order to do that, you've got to walk into maybe 7 listing presentations. Now if you think about that, you're into 7 listing presentations, you got to do 3 market appraisals on average to get into a listing presentation. Now you got to do 21 market appraisals plus the 7 actual listing appointments. You got to do a minimum of 28 appointments per month. You divide that by 20 business days. That means that on average, you've got to do around 1.5-ish market appraisals or listing appointments per day to land the numbers. Now you can play with those metrics and you can change those numbers, but what I think is really important is that if you just think about doing that, an appointment a day keeps Josh Phegan away, or 2 appointments a day absolutely makes me thrive and gets me on stage at Blueprint, like you know that that's actually what great agents do. So rather than chasing 1,000,001 metrics, get focused on the thing that really matters. And this is actually really highlighted to me about social media with 1,000,001 metrics that you can look at. Tap backs and tap forwards and downloads and saves and comments and likes and 5,000 things that you can look at there. But what really matters? What's the problem you're actually trying to solve? So when you think about doing a call session, the problem you're actually trying to solve is to lift your appointment numbers. If you do that, you've got an incredible business. Choose the metrics that really motivate.